Everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today we're unboxing TYLT TYLT products Y Charge. This is the QUIK Y Charge. It provides the 75% faster up to via the Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0. So there's two different types of fast charging and quick charge, and this provides the Quick Charge 2.0 technology with 4.8 amps at 48 watts. So we'll get to that in a moment. And then we also have the built to tilt TYLT FLYP Duo reversible USB cable with lightning. As you can see, there's a lightning tip here and your micro USB. This is 3.3 foot long or 1 meter. So this is pretty typical to the built to tilt products. They are brightly colored and well made, as I've seen before in other reviews that I've done. So there's some documentation, and here's the Y charger. So you get a USB port here, and this is Quick Charge 2.0 enabled. So just put that in your charger there. And these are great for phones that have the Quick Charge 2.0 technology built in. And if your phone doesn't have the Quick Charge 2.0 technology built into it, you can also use it and it will do a faster than normal charge. It'll pick the appropriate amperage, watts, and milliamps to charge it. So you also get some documentation here. And the rest of the cabling is here, as you can see. And this is what's special about this cable, is that it comes attached to it. So you won't be losing the lightning tip on this one. And then you just plug it in like this, and now you can charge Apple products. Or everything else, you can charge with your micro USB. And this is a standard USB cable connector there. These are the TYLT Y Charge QUIK and the TYLT FLYP Duo 1 meter 3.3 foot reversible micro USB lightning cable. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. We love positive comments, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel.